After a great morning of fishing in Ketchikan, it's time to eat. So we brought this catch to the Alaska Fish House, where the chef is cooking up a storm with everything we caught. Come take a look. What we caught today. How exciting.
Yes, I'm very excited.
I know.
I'm starving.
You are starving. Well, you created these, so I'm ready.
Here, let me get you a little bit of each fish here. This one is your yellow eye. Just hazelnut and panko crusted that for you.
Oh, wow. Hazelnut,
this one,
love it.
A little bit of spice.
I love it. Is that blackened?
Blackened.
Nice.
Yeah, that's your blackened Lingcod. And then over here I got your, this is in, I just cooked it in a dill butter with a little salt and pepper, so it's very simple and easy.
Wow, a lot of fish.
Yes,
good, yeah.
You're in Alaska, so we give you the Alaska size portion.
Sounds good. These look delicious. Oh,
And
and
the
oh my gosh.
Look at that plate.
Look at that plate.
Look
That's a
at
beauty.
that. As soon as I get it, my pedals start going. I'm just like, okay, I think this is what I'll do today.
Todd was saying that this cod is one of his favorite fish because it's so
Lingcod.
moist and.
Without a doubt, it's just.
I see what you mean. It's
it's
moist
a
and
beautiful fish.
meaty.
Yeah, a lot of people, they're always after the halibut, and that's all good.
It would have been
And I'm good
nice.
with
It would have
that,
been
you
nice.
know, hey,
Trophy fish.
go ahead.
I
You
know.
guys can catch as many halibut as you want, but the thing of it is the
Get that
Lingcod.
Lingcod.
So I feel good because we're
Oh, no,
doing
you
something
guys had
unusual.
an amazing trip. This is, I wasn't expecting Lingcod at all.
Oh, fabulous. Oh, so good.
You like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna be hard to beat. I'm gonna be begging you for that one as well.
Yeah, that's a menu item now. You
Yeah,
see? You can name it after me if you like.
I will.
For me and you.
Yeah, there you go. No, we don't need anything named after me.
Then
Sorry.
nobody would want it?
Yeah, probably not.
Not true.
The Todd special. Can you see that?
Oh, the TOD.
Yeah. Well, I will say you outdid yourself, bro.
This is great.
Excellent.
So this blackened is so delicious. Like, is it some special spices you put in it?
Yeah, it's our, we make this in-house as well, our blackened season. It's just a Creole seasoning.
Oh.
I could give you the whole list, but there's a lot of
But you
different
have to tell
spices.
me, I know. It's your secrets, I know.
And you can't forget the beer.
I like the single engine red, the Kolsch style. That's really good.
It's a nice one to try. It's kind of like an in-between.
Yeah, in between. It's not too dark, not too light.
This glass, I feel very,
Fancy. You need to put your pinky out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm a big IPA.
Which one are you drinking?
That's
I'm
really
drinking the
nice.
IPA.
Am I allowed to drink one of these on the clock here?
I think you can, Chef. You deserve it after this meal, for sure. Which one
We won't judge you. We won't
But you
judge
said you like this one. Do you want the one I just started?
I'll share with you. I don't care.
I'm good. I like sharing.
This looks good.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna try that one then. Let's do the gold. So let's do much
Lighter.
lighter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Lighter, fruitier.
Yeah, some people aren't really big into the stout beers or an IPA because of the hops. but-
It's the hops, yeah. Because it gives me a very bitter aftertaste. That stout looks like very heavy duty.
It looks like coffee.
It tastes
Yeah, but
like.
it
Doesn't
tastes
it
like-
have a little coffee
Like
taste?
heaven.
It's big and bold.
Smooth.
It's
See, you got coffee,
it's
right?
weird.
it's
thick
just
and-
weird.
And it is good. That's crazy.
But do you got coffee at all?
Yeah,
I mean,
I can
yeah,
taste it's almost like
because it's that.
bittery and salty almost. And this because gotta put a little lemon on.
It smells
there.
good.
All right, I got it. Before you finish it,
Let her try.
here.
No, not for everybody. I
No.
got this.
There's a little coffee in there, but there's something else that reminds me of
Maybe it's the truly.
like dirt.
I wouldn't go
Sorry.
with, if you're trying to sell
Sorry.
something to
I
somebody,
know.
I don't think I'm going to go with dirt.
I like
Oh,
how
the
she,
dirt flavor is so
waited.
good.
She waited till the beer was in your mouth
I
and she said that.
It didn't come spewing out.
The dirt.
Thank you so much. Cheers, guys.
Thank you.